multimeter tweezer. FNIRSI. So let's open. Let's see what inside. I do from this side because on this side I have address. Ready? Yeah. Here we go. There it is. Ta-da! Let's open it. Oh yeah, sticker like always. Why? Me. Use white color for calibration. And what we got? Test range, test voltage, frequency, battery level, measurements, parameters, data hold, units, auxiliary measurements, parameters. Yeah. Here is QR code for scanning. This is pretty cool. I keep inside. Small Thea crying, baby Thea. This is baby of my cousin. Oh, so charge, USB-C to USB-A. Oh yeah, the sticker of the FNIRSI. Service manual. And device. Tweezer device, look at that. It's really easy to use. It's better than multimeter. Wow. And for tweezer, it's nice solid. The screws, perfect mate. Really nice mate. So let's turn on. Of course. No. Here is control, moving, left, right, and push. Here is USB-C charge port, and then nothing. All right. So set to English. There we go. Wow. Resistors, functionality unit moving like the capacitors. So we can try. So how much? 50 volts, 2200 microfarads. So let's see. Yeah. 2,300, yeah, that's right. LCR, diodes, it's really fast. Open. Just look at our resistors. How much ohms? 2.2. 2002 megafarads, microfarads, alright. This auto mode, oh that's cool. What does this bar mean? The W. Holding the screen or hold capacity. That is cool. Alright. Hold. And here we go. That's cool. Wow. Yeah, this is functionality. 6. Okay. Alright. So let's get to capacitor. A 100. No. Again. 100K. Do you see that? 100K. And now try. So yeah, resistors, capacitors, coils, diodes, auto. Even on capacitors you can change voltage, kilohertz. I usually using 100 kilohertz. That is average setting. Yeah, sorry for auto. Yeah, pretty nice. Look at that. And really fast, really active. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Nice tweezer. Super. Yep. Cool.